Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Four of Swords, Four of Cups, Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Devil. I think there is one type of ending between you and your person, Scorpio. For some, you decided to move on from this person because you are tired and your energy is totally drained and you're feeling missed opportunity, you're feeling lonely. Right now, you are going through some healing process and you are doing meditation to heal yourself completely, but you're still thinking about them. I think for some, this person may be toxic for you. They are obsessed with you. So let's see our reading recent past. The Hermit, Ace of Wands and Nine of Pentacles. So you are going through a transformation in recent past. You more concentrating on your career. After the transformation, you started focusing on your career, especially on your abundance, on your finances, because Nine of Pentacles energy and Ace of Wands. So you are very passionate towards your work. You again started working towards your goals with a lot of passion. I think new beginnings in career. Then present Queen of Wands, Six of Swords and Empress. I think this reading is about more yourself, especially the present. You totally focusing on yourself. You are taking your control back. Now you are okay with or without your person because you are taking your control back. For some, yes, you decided to move on. You decided to move towards calm water, Six of Swords energy. Then future judgment, death and magician. Yes, some people, you already made a decision to move on from this person. And in future, you will be in magician energy. You will manifest whatever you want. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Scorpio. Definitely in near future you will make some major decision regarding this relationship. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Virgo or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity. Under the deck, Ten of Cups, Two of Swords, Five of Swords and Three of Wands. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. Definitely there are issues between you and your person, arguments, fightings. Your person is at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but they are indecisive right now. But they want this happiness with you. For some, your person is already married. But they are in waiting mode. Waiting game. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. Scorpio. Again, Ten of Pentacles. I think children's also involved in this connection. I think your person feeling stuck. Maybe their emotions are running high. For some, your person right now busy with their work. They're feeling overburdened. At the same time, they really want to work on this relationship. But maybe they have ego problem. Maybe they walked away from this connection, but they do love you. Maybe for some you person want to leave behind everything and want to come forward, because Eight of Cups, they want to leave behind negativity or issues between you and your person, and they're thinking about reconciliation if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they're thinking about to take this relationship to next level, but right now they're feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy. So let's see their intentions. I think maybe they want to communicate with you. For some you person is a player type energy I'm getting here. They're wishing for this connection, but in action wise I'm not seeing any action, to be honest with you, because Four of Cups, Ace of Wands and Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, they're wishing for this connection. They're hoping but not making any proper action, because they're very attracted to you, but there is no action. That's why you decided to move on. That's why you decided to end the relationship with this person. Yes. Lot of drama is going right now between you and your person. I think there is no collaboration, there is no equal give and take in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. The Moon, Ten of Cups. Yeah, there are some issues, trust issues. Maybe they're scared for rejection. Yeah, they want this happiness with you, but they're scared because lot of drama is going. Your wishes are going to be granted. Yeah, I think a lot of trust issues, guys. I think you both have trust issues, and especially illusions. Maybe one person hiding something from the other person and you are very defensive. Yes, you are taking your control back, Scorpio. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. So let's see mutual. A lot of cards, that's why I'm not taking. Eight of Swords. Yeah, right now this connection is stuck. I think you both are stuck and you both are waiting on each other. Right now this connection is going nowhere. You both are waiting period. Maybe you both waiting for commitment. So let's see the messages from your person and through the channel. Past person return. I want to be with you forever. I am just not ready yet. I have too much going on my life. Don't leave me behind, and reunion is coming. Past person return. I want to be with you forever. I am just not ready yet. I have too much going on my life. Don't leave me behind, and reunion is coming. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Thoughts are jumping, guys. A new start is coming, new moon. So definitely for some there will be a new start between you and your person, especially when new moon is going. And balance spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces, Pisces energy. So if you are not doing any meditation, especially this is the message for you. Start meditation and balance both spirituality and practicality. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.